Welcome to the yard, where heavy lifting isn't just a job, it's an art form. Today, we're unloading some AC units. You can see them right behind me. We gotta stick them in this hole over here. This is part of my everyday work. We always got a cool job around here, literally and figurative. All right, if you look right here, the truck driver, I'll bring you over so you can see. The truck driver is unstrapping the load. This is pretty normal stuff. Truck driver's getting everything unstrapped. I don't know if the operator, that's Alan, must be having some kind of issue with the scope. Big boss, Brian, he's the dispatcher. All right, we're getting the crane scoped out. All right, precision's the name of the game here. If you do this wrong, you'll fuck up hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of equipment. What I'm doing right now is making sure I don't cross my rig here. Us crane guys can be kind of anal about shit like that. This is my first time working with this operator. He's new here at Kelly. Let's see how good he is. Looking at the shackles. I'll be speeding through a lot of this video so the video isn't so long. 10 times speed, as you can see. Oh, I'm up and down and up and down. You raise your arm like this, let them know where they're going with it. So what does a baby computer call his father? Data. I know, I suck at life. Need to get better at this. Want a little philosophy lesson here? I'd like to add some wisdom to my videos if possible. Unloading these units reminds me of life. Sometimes you gotta lift heavy things. It's all about how you set them down. Here, Brian and I are hooking up shackles to the lifting eyes, making sure not to cross our straps, as I mentioned in the video. And we're setting them in place. Kind of packed in tight, but with enough room to be able to get to it, take the shackles off, and be able to, load it up once it comes time to load it.
That jacket was a little sticky.
Yeah, that. I lost one of my good shackles. So this is what a shackle looks like. I didn't show you one in the video, but it's not rocket science figuring out how to work these things. And here you go. When people see cranes, they see steel and hydraulics. I see poetry in motion. I'm gonna do this. No! Tried to cable up on me before I had my shackles hooked up. That one was a pain in my ass. Yeah, I could barely reach. I was doing it with the tip of my... I try to notice truth and beauty in everything that I do. I really enjoy working here at Kelly. we got a really good team with really good people. I don't know if you can tell, but me and the dispatcher get along really well. And all the guys are like that. We just cut up and have a really good time all day long. It's pretty much a blast. It's an unwritten rule. We got a race to get the shackles off. I'm always the fastest. Ain't that right, Brian?
That's right.
Another thing that's really cool about working with guys that are good at what they do, you get to really challenge yourself in increasing efficiency and speed and kind of competing with one another to see, you know, who can get the shackles done faster, who can, you know, shit like that. And it makes for a good work environment. It makes the days go by quicker and just makes life more enjoyable. So, I mean, I hope you're enjoying watching the video. Hope you like and subscribe, share if possible. That really helps me out. I'm sure you already know that by watching freaking YouTube videos. If you're anything like me, that's probably my main source of media at this point. If you've watched this far, I really appreciate it. Coming up here in just a couple seconds, I'm gonna slow it down to real-time speed so that you can see kind of how the crane works in real time. I just didn't want to make the whole video real time because it would have been like an hour-long video that nobody would have, you know, gotten through. Oh, we don't like litter bugs around here. Come on, guys, y'all are grown men. Let's pick up after ourselves here. All right, here's the real time. All right. Watch out, it's coming back towards you, Brian. How did I know that, you say? I don't even know if you can see that. I could tell he was boomed up too far by the way his rigging felt. Oh, this sling's a pretty good unit. I like it. Got good timing. Biker.
That's my kids. Peterbilt. Name.
Tells a story, you know. Oh yeah. Hey man. I've done many things I could go to prison for. I never went to prison.
Signed and printed and dated. Yeah. Signed, printed, and dated.
All right, YouTube. Another day, another load off my shoulders. Or off the crane anyway. See you.